Question number 34. Okay. An ideal step-up transformer. What is ideal? Ideal means no resistance losses. Has 500 turns. 500 turns on the primary coil. Okay. NP is given to you. 2000 turns on the secondary coil. NS is given to you. An alternating current wire with peak value of the 250 volt. Remember this peak value. What is peak value? See, when you have a AC circuit, AC signal like this, so this is your peak value. This is not your RMS value. This is not your AC voltage. Remember this, okay? So therefore, this is your V0, okay? If I want to get RMS value, I will get VRMS is equal to V0 divided by root 2, which you already know. Okay, what is the RMS voltage on the secondary coil? He is asking you the RMS in the secondary. Now, very straightforward problem, but you need to think a little bit here. Now, what do we have here? We know that V secondary by V primary is equal to N secondary by N primary is equal to I primary divided by I secondary. Remember, secondary and primary are different only in current and number of turns. But in voltage number of turns, it remains the same. Okay. So therefore, now using this is not required for us. Now we will use this one here. So V secondary by V primary. If I consider the peak voltages over here, I am not considering the RMS. I am just considering only the peak over here because peak is what is given to me. I'll take only peak over here, which is equal to NS. What is NS? 2000 divided by NP 500. So this goes away, which is equal to 5 ones are 5 fours are. So answer should be 4 here, and thus Vs peak is equal to V primary peak multiplied by 4. What is this V primary peak? Which is given as 250. So this should be 250 multiplied by 4 should be 1000 over here. We have got only Vs peak. What is that we need? We need VRMS. So VRMS is nothing but, substitute this value. Vs peak is nothing but V0, right? V0. So this should be V0 is nothing but 1000 divided by root 2. Do I have 1000 by root 2? No, we have 1000 root 2 here. Okay, so which I will write this as a 500 into 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 ones are, root 2 twos are. Okay, so root 2s are. So you can write this as root 2 into root 2, right? So one of the root 2 get cancels. So you get the answer as 500 into root 2 volts. So 500 into root 2 volts, B is the right answer.